All right, everybody, get ready for this one, because we're just diving deep into something really cool today. We're talking classic portrait photography, but with a super high-tech twist, cutting-edge AI. You guys sent in this workshop ad, and honestly, it's not your typical photography class, let me tell you. So, fusion techniques of portrait photography and AI virtual humans.
Wow, that definitely sounds pretty high tech.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's really cool how they're bringing together like traditional art with this futuristic technology. Makes you wonder how AI is going to change something like portrait photography,
Really, yeah. It's pretty mind-blowing. They're even saying this workshop will help you unlock your future creative potential.
Oh.
Okay, so what does that even mean? Well, they're talking about creating these digital avatars. It's like, imagine your photos, not just stuck, static images, but transforming into dynamic experiences.
That's wild.
Yeah.
It is.
Like bringing portraits to life.
It really ties into the whole idea of people wanting personalized experiences these days. People don't want just like a basic service anymore, They're looking for something unique. And this workshop, it seems to get that. They're talking about combining traditional photography with AI to, high-tech value.
Oh, they're not kidding around with the instructor either.
Yeah.
This guy is a design director from some tech company. Apparently, he's like the ultimate virtual human creator. I mean, he's worked across tons of different industries.
It's impressive.
Right.
Yeah.
Talk about a rock star resume.
They're really trying to show, the real-world applications of what you can learn. It's smart. It's not just about, the art. But the business potential, too.
Exactly.
Did you see the class size?
Oh, yeah.
Only 12 people? It's like this exclusive club for the future of photography.
It is. It's a 3-day intensive program, totally hands-on learning.
I bet that personalized attention is super valuable, especially when you're trying to learn these complex AI concepts.
Oh, for sure. So let's break down this futuristic photography bootcamp day by day.